Now students, see is page number 7, all of you. Now let's work these out. In this paragraph we have to find out how some people are affected by because of the others wish and desires. Discuss the following situations. Look at the picture on the right. Now you can see here picture, this one. Just listen here, this picture you can see. Now here you can see the huge bungalow or building, a huge building, and you can see there slum area huts, etc. So look at the picture on the right. What should be the developmental goals for such an area? So the people who are living in that huge building, so what they think means what they think about their development, and the people who are living in the slum areas in huts area like this, so what are their opinion and thinking about the their development. So we can understand easily their thinking and opinion, their ideas totally different from each other. Now here we can see easily. Second one, read this newspaper report and answer the questions that follow. Now we have to read this report which is taken from newspaper. A vessel dumped. Here vessel means ship, or we can say a large boat. Dump means here release, or we can say the throw. A vessel dumped 500 tons of liquid toxic waste into open area dumps in the city and in the surrounding area. This happened in a city called Abidjan, the name of the city, in Ivory Coast. So Ivory Coast, a country in Africa. The fumes from the highly toxic waste caused because of whatever the happened in that city, so throwing the lot of toxic waste, so many people were affected. Toxic waste caused nausea, skin rashes, fainting, diarrhea, etc. After a month 7 persons were dead, 20 in hospital, and 26,000 treated for symptoms of poisoning. So this was the result because of the throwing or releasing toxic waste in that city. A multinational company dealing in a petroleum and metals had contracted a local company of the Ivory Coast to dispose means throw the toxic waste from its ship. Now after reading this small we can say the report from a newspaper, here questions are given. Who are the people who benefited and who did not? Means in that city, so which type of people who are benefited or who are not? So you can understand easily. Now second one, what should be the developmental goal for this country? Now third question, what can be some of the developmental goals for your village, town or locality? So you can, after reading this paragraph or report, you can understand easily and you can answer also. Now here one activity also given, you read yourself and try to do it. Now after that we will continue in next clip.